We all crave that radiant, lit from within glow, right? Well, highlighting and strobing are the makeup techniques that can take you there. These techniques use light-reflecting products to accentuate your features and give you a natural-looking radiance. Think of it like sculpting your face with light. Highlighting involves applying shimmery or light-reflecting products to specific areas of your face. This enhances your bone structure and creates a youthful, dewy finish. Strobing, on the other hand, is like highlighting on overdrive. It uses a more concentrated application of shimmer to create a dramatic, sculpted look. Both techniques can dramatically enhance your makeup look. They add dimension, lift features, and give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Whether you prefer a subtle sheen or an intense beam of light, there's a highlighting and strobing technique perfect for you. So are you ready to unlock the secrets to a luminous, glowing complexion? Let's dive in. Why are highlighting and strobing such game changers in the beauty world? Let me count the ways. Firstly, they accentuate your best features. By strategically applying highlighter, you can emphasize your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow, creating a more defined and sculpted look. Secondly, they add a youthful radiance. As we age, our skin naturally loses its luminosity. Highlighting and strobing bring back that youthful glow, making your skin appear plumper and more vibrant. Thirdly, these techniques can brighten up your overall complexion. A touch of shimmer on the high points of your face can instantly make you look more awake and refreshed, even on those days when you're feeling anything but. Whether you're aiming for a natural, everyday glow or a glamorous red carpet look, highlighting and strobing are your secret weapons to a more radiant and confident you. Stepping into the world of highlighters can be overwhelming with the sheer variety available. But fear not, gorgeous. We're here to guide you through the dazzling array of options and help you find the perfect highlighter to enhance your natural beauty. Choosing the right highlighter is all about your skin type, tone, and desired effect. It's not just about picking a pretty color. It's about finding a product that complements your unique features and enhances your overall look. For dry skin, cream or liquid highlighters are your best bet. These formulas are designed to provide a dewy, hydrating finish that won't accentuate dry patches. They blend seamlessly into the skin, giving you a natural, radiant glow. They provide a dewy, hydrating finish that won't accentuate dry patches. The key is to apply them with a light hand and blend well to avoid any streaks or unevenness. You can use your fingers or a damp makeup sponge for the best results. Oily skin beauties can opt for powder highlighters, which offer buildable coverage and a long-lasting matte or shimmery finish. Powder highlighters are great for controlling excess oil and shine, giving you a more polished look. When it comes to skin tone, fair skin tones look amazing with pearly or champagne highlighters. These shades add a soft, luminous glow without looking too harsh or overpowering. They enhance the natural lightness of fair skin, making it look fresh and radiant. For medium skin tones, try peachy gold or rose gold shades for a warm, healthy glow. These colors complement the natural warmth of medium skin tones, adding a beautiful, sun-kissed effect that looks effortlessly chic. Olive and deeper skin tones can rock bronzy gold or copper highlighters for a stunning sun-kissed effect. These rich, warm shades enhance the natural depth of darker skin tones, giving you a radiant, goddess-like glow. Remember, the intensity of the highlighter matters too. Depending on the look you're going for, you can choose a highlighter with a subtle sheen or one with a more intense, reflective finish. For a subtle, everyday glow, choose a highlighter that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. This will give you a natural, lit-from-within look that's perfect for daily wear. Apply it to the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose. If you're going for a bolder, more dramatic look, opt for a highlighter that's a few shades lighter. This will create a striking contrast and make your features pop. Don't be afraid to layer the product for extra intensity, especially for evening events or special occasions. Experiment with different formulas and shades to find your perfect match. The beauty of highlighters is their versatility. You can mix and match different products to create a custom glow that suits your style and mood. So go ahead, play around, and discover the magic of highlighters. Section 4. Tools of the trade: essential brushes and sponges for flawless application. In this section, we will delve into the must-have tools that can elevate your makeup game to a professional level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup enthusiast, having the right brushes and sponges can make a world of difference in achieving that flawless look. The right tools can make all the difference when it comes to highlighting and strobing. Using the appropriate brush or sponge can help you achieve a more precise and polished look, ensuring that your highlighter is applied exactly where you want it and blended seamlessly into your skin. Here are a few essentials to add to your makeup kit. First, the fan brush. This versatile tool is a staple in any makeup artist's collection and is perfect for a variety of applications. This brush is perfect for applying a light dusting of powder highlighter to the cheekbones, temples, and Cupid's bow. Its unique shape allows for a delicate touch, making it easy to build up the intensity of your highlighter without going overboard. Its soft, fanned-out bristles diffuse the product evenly for a seamless, airbrushed finish. The fan brush is also great for sweeping away any excess powder or fallout from eyeshadow, ensuring a clean and polished look. Next, the tapered highlighter brush. This brush is designed for precision and control, making it an essential tool for detailed highlighting. This brush has a slightly pointed tip, making it ideal for precise application of highlighter to the brow bone, inner corner of the eyes, and along the bridge of the nose. Its shape allows you to target specific areas with ease, ensuring that your highlighter is placed exactly where you want it. Then, there's the damp beauty sponge. This tool is a game changer when it comes to blending cream or liquid highlighters. A damp beauty sponge provides a natural skin-like finish when applying cream or liquid highlighters. The sponge's texture helps to blend the product seamlessly into the skin, creating a dewy and radiant look. Bounce the sponge lightly on the skin to blend the product seamlessly. This technique helps to avoid harsh lines and ensures that the highlighter melts perfectly with your foundation and other makeup products. Finally, the small, fluffy eyeshadow brush. This brush is not just for eyeshadow, it's also perfect for detailed highlighting. This brush is perfect for applying highlighter to the inner corner of the eyes and brow bone for a brightening effect. Its small size and fluffy bristles allow for precise application, making it easy to add a touch of shimmer to the areas that need it most. Remember, always tap off any excess product from your brush or sponge before applying it to your face. This simple step can make a big difference in the final result, preventing any unwanted clumps or streaks. This will prevent harsh lines and ensure a smooth, blended finish. Taking the time to properly blend your highlighter will give you a more natural and polished look, enhancing your features without looking overdone. With these essential brushes and sponges in your makeup kit, you'll be well on your way to achieving a flawless application every time. Section 5. Strobing versus highlighting, unveiling the differences. In this section, we will delve into the nuances that set these two popular makeup techniques apart. While often used interchangeably, strobing and highlighting have subtle yet distinct differences. These differences can significantly impact the final look you achieve, making it essential to understand each technique thoroughly. Understanding these can help you achieve your desired level of glow. Whether you aim for a natural, everyday radiance or a bold, high-fashion statement, knowing when to use highlighting versus strobing is key. Traditional highlighting involves using a lighter shade to emphasize specific areas of the face, like the cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. This technique is perfect for adding a touch of brightness and dimension to your features. It can be done with powder, cream, or liquid products, and offers a more diffused, subtle radiance. The choice of product can depend on your skin type and the finish you prefer. For instance, powder highlighters are great for oily skin, while cream and liquid highlighters work well for dry skin. Strobing, on the other hand, focuses on creating a more intense, sculpted look by strategically layering highlighter on the high points of the face. This technique is all about catching the light in a way that accentuates your bone structure. It typically involves using a shimmery, light-reflecting product in a cream or liquid formula for a dewy, almost wet-looking finish. This can give your skin a fresh, youthful glow that stands out, especially in photographs. Think of highlighting as adding a soft glow, while strobing is about creating a more dramatic, sculpted effect. Highlighting is subtle and understated, perfect for everyday wear, while strobing is bold and eye-catching, ideal for special occasions or when you want to make a statement. Highlighting is like a gentle sunbeam, while strobing is like a spotlight. The former gives you a natural sun-kissed look, while the latter makes you the center of attention, with every high point of your face gleaming. Both techniques are beautiful in their own right and offer varying levels of intensity. Whether you prefer the soft elegance of highlighting or the striking impact of strobing, each method has its unique charm and application. Choose the one that best suits your desired look and comfort level. Experiment with both to see which technique enhances your features the best. Remember, makeup is an art, and the canvas is your face. Have fun exploring the possibilities and finding what makes you feel most confident and beautiful.